Hurricane Ike by Tiffany and Ricardo. Hurricane Ike by Tiffany and Ricardo. Um, the tropical storm Ike formed on Monday in tropical Atlantic waters midway between Africa and the Caribbean, and it formed on September 1, 2008. The storm uh, impacted Turks and Caicos, Bahamas, Hispaniola, Cuba, Cayman Island, Southeast Texas, South Central United States, Great Lakes region, and Canada. And it traveled through the Gulf of Mexico. The hurricane I gained strength from the Gulf of Mexico because of the warm water, and the wind from the hurricane expanded when it hit Cuba. It was a Category 4 on the Saffir-Simpson scale, and the wind speed was 140 miles per hour. And the storm located at Big Strand. It was located at Grand Turk Island.
The eye of Hurricane Ike approached the upper Texas coast, making landfall at 2:10 a.m. CDT over the east end of Galveston Island, with the high storm surge, and traveled north up Galveston Bay along the east side of Houston. What was the category on Saffir-Simpson scale at landfall? Hurricane Ike was on a Category 4 on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. What was the wind speed and how large was the storm surge? The wind speed was at 110 miles per hour, and the storm surge was 22 feet or 6.8 meters or miles, and widespread coastal flooding. What was the major cause of destruction? The strong winds that reached 215 kilometers per hour, and the wind expanded when it hit Cuba, as well as gaining power when reaching the Gulf of Mexico. This happened because the Gulf of Mexico water is warm, and hurricane tends to pick up power when it hits warm water. What was the death toll and the cost of the estimated damage? About 195 people died, and the cost of the damage was $29.5 billion, which is ranked second or third of the highly cost needed out of the hurricane chart in 2015. Cleanup efforts. How long did it take to clean up damage from the storm? It took 5 years to clean up the damage. Effects that impacted the region because of the storm. In short-term effect, it was the health and well-being of residents. The long-term effects was the cleanup of the storm and repairing all those damages that were created.